Good afternoon, daughter and son of God. God bless you. I wish you welcome in the presence of the Lord. God bless your family. God bless everything your hand will touch. And I wish the love of God in your heart, in your family, in everything you do, and in your think. So today I want to talk about who those people who see a sense in another people. They are thinking they are perfect, but the another people, they are not perfect. I want to tell you, my brother. I want to tell you, my sister, this night. I want to tell you, they are not a small sense. They are not a big sense. Every sense send the wrath of God in us. That's why no one is perfect. You are not perfect. No one is perfect than another. We are all the same. Just we make a sense are different. Some people make a visible sense. Some people make a invisible sense. But like when you go somewhere and you thief, you think God not see you. Maybe people did not see you, but God see you. When you accuse some people, some innocent people, you think God don't see you, God see you, but we don't see you. So why you are discriminate your friend because she's lesbian? Why you are discriminate your friend because he's gay? Why you are discriminate your friend because she have poverty? Why you are discriminate your friend because she's maybe a big liar or a big thief? We are all the same. We are all have sense. No one is perfect. God is died for all of us. No one is perfect. So my message is what I can say. In this case, when you see your friend as have some problem, when you see your friend have some, I cannot see big problem because everything is bad in front of God. So when you see your friend, everybody see the sense of your friend, like visible sense. You pray for the person, but don't discriminate the person. Don't say I want to be on my side. I don't want to be in the side of the person because the person is like that, because the person is like that, or maybe because the person don't have good reputation. You are thinking about your reputation, but you don't think what God is thinking about your own reputation, because we cannot see your bad things, but God can see, but God know your bad side. God knows the bad things we are doing. That's why it's very important to pray for everyone, pray for yourself, and pray for the another people. Don't go far away from them because they are like that, because they have another sins than you. So you think you are best, you think you are perfect. You are not perfect. So I want to read back. It's not like I caution them. I caution things. I'm not here to judge people, but just we can say in the Bible they have abomination sins like God don't know. God don't approve it because it's only God is the best judge. No one is the best judge. So I want to read in the Bible. I write in some paper. I want to read in the Bible Proverbe 11, Proverbe chapitre 11, verset 20. They that are perverse in heart are an abomination to the Lord. Some people, when they see a woman, they are already thinking about something. They are already make a lot of imagination. Or some woman also, when they see a man, they have already a lot of imagination in their head. This is perverse thinking. This is abomination in front of God. So I'm just reading some abomination who is written in the Bible. But they have a lot of abomination who write in the Bible. So you people can take the Bible and find out. I can read also Leviticus 18, chapter 22 to 23. Thou shalt not lie with mankind as with womankind. It is abomination. Hey. And thou shalt not lie with any beast. defile themselves therewith, neither shall any woman stand before a beast to lie down thereto. It is abomination. So the Bible say man and man cannot go together. Woman and woman cannot go together. Man and beast and animal cannot make a copulation together. Woman and animal cannot make a copulation together. This is abomination. It's a lot of abomination in the Bible. You people can go and find out, or maybe if you want to know, you can just write to Google and it will come. So we are not perfect, but when in that situation, you can just pray for your neighbor. You can just pray for your friend, but not discriminate them. This is no good, because when you discriminate someone, this is a sin you are doing. God don't like it. The wrath of God will come on you. This is no good. So you need to pray for yourself. Pray for your friends, for your neighbor, to him, for the head to open, for him to come in himself and go to God, and God will help them. Because sometimes when somebody have this black things in horn, black horn, the horns, I can say the horn on him, he cannot think. You don't know what he's doing. You don't even know like these things he's doing is good or is not good. You don't know. For him is the perfect. Is for him is this. He like it and he want to do. That's why we need to pray for people, so their mind will be open. They will have the light on them, and God will help you, and God will help them too. So that was my message today. God bless you. God bless everyone. Don't discriminate people. Don't think you are perfect and there are other people they are not. We are all not perfect. We are all have a sin in front of God. God bless you. God bless your family, and be in peace. Pray for your neighbor. Shalom.